Please do not be sad. Please do not be sad. She is waking up while waving and smiling. She is waking up while waving and smiling. She enjoys a healthy breakfast with cereal and fruits. She enjoys a healthy breakfast with cereal and fruits. Young explorer is waving hello. Young explorer is waving hello. She is collecting the trash and helping to keep environment clean. She is collecting the trash and helping to keep environment clean. They are skateboarding with joy and balance. They are skateboarding with joy and balance. She enjoys the summer day in a pink inflatable ring. She enjoys the summer day in a pink inflatable ring. She is hugging her friend to show love. She is hugging her friend to show love. She is choosing outfits from the selection. She is choosing outfits from the selection. He plays with colorful geometric shapes. He plays with colorful geometric shapes. She is using a smartphone and ordering pizza. She is using a smartphone and ordering pizza. She is riding on the elephant. She is riding on the elephant. They are sitting around the campfire. They are sitting around the campfire. She is waving while sitting on a wheelchair. She is waving while sitting on a wheelchair. She plays volleyball with the ball. She plays volleyball with the ball. He is blowing bubbles in the bathtub playfully. He is blowing bubbles in the bathtub playfully. She is raising her hand in class. She is raising her hand in class. She is sitting quietly and smiling. She is sitting quietly and smiling. She is cleaning the floor with a sponge. She is cleaning the floor with a sponge. He is drawing a beautiful painting. He is drawing a beautiful painting. They are enjoying ice cream and cold drinks. They are enjoying ice cream and cold drinks.